Alright, these will be the elevators here at the Super Target in the Sodo district of Orlando in Orlando, Florida. We have this car to ride first. Not sure what kind these are, but they have Dewhurst buttons. Go up to 3. You're up on 3. 3 opens up right back there. Back down to 1, door closed but works. These are just your typical Target style elevators, nothing too exciting, other than these being big. There's a friend for security. Floor indicator, certificate, Dewhurst buttons, I believe. Capacity of this elevator is 10,500 pounds. And this is elevator B. Interesting, there's an express cell on a hydraulic elevator. Probably because there's a lot of space in between 1 and 2. Here are 1, and it opens up right here. Alright, we'll you're welcome. Let them go. We're gonna try to get the other elevator. There goes that elevator. And now we'll try to get the left car. I wonder if I have floor rails. These might be either Montgomery, KONE, or just KONE elevators. I'm not 100% sure. Goes over there, that's the escalator and the cart escalator. And here's the R elevator. I'm gonna point the camera away because there's somebody in it. Nope. Alright, let's go up to 3. Oh, going up? You're welcome. What floor, sir?
The second floor.
Second? Alright.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Wow, this thing takes forever to level. Alright, you have a good day, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Got the door for you. Third one, 3. Like I said, 3 opens up in the back. this ain't good. This elevator is low on oil. Look at that, it's struggling to get up to the 3rd floor. I don't know if you can see it through the doors or not. Yeah, right there, that's the 3rd floor. It's struggling to get up to the 3rd floor. Wow, this elevator is terrible. Back down to 1. Look at the cavity of this elevator. It's just like the other one, typical Target style elevator. These are your Dewhurst buttons. This is elevator A. 10,500 pound capacity. We're stopping on 2. It's your flow indicator. You got 2 panels, one on each side. Hello.
No, we didn't. Thank you.
Alright, y'all have a good one?
Yeah.
Thank you. Alright. Let these people go up. You're welcome. One more. You're welcome. Uh-oh. Missed a little mishap there. Anyways, there goes the elevator. And just for the heck of it, we're gonna go up the escalator. But before we do, I'm gonna go find a shopping cart somewhere. I'm gonna demonstrate the cart escalator for y'all. A couple right down there, I'm gonna grab one of them. Alright, I'm gonna grab one of these stray carts here and take it up the cart escalator for y'all. These cars are on their smart lock thing because it's for security measures for the Target. Let's see, there's a... That car doesn't want to buzz. We're going to take this one instead. Underneath the palm trees. I guess while I'm pushing the shopping cart around, here you can look at the Sodo district itself. Basically a town center in the south end of downtown Orlando. It also features an apartment complex as well. Alright. I'm going to demonstrate the cart escalator for you guys. Push the cart in. There it goes. Let's go up the escalator. Try along with the cart. This escalator is a bit faster than the cart escalator. Watch the cart escalator come out of the track. There you have it. That's a demonstration of the cart escalator. I'm going to take this cart with me and go up to the 3rd floor via the elevator. Actually, I'm going to leave this cart here for right now. I'll take it down once I end this video. Right now, let's go up to the 3rd floor and get a view from the top. This escalator is a lot shorter than the one we just went up in. Not sure what kind these escalators are. Not sure what the brand of these escalators are. Anyways, here we're back at the top floor. Here's a view from the roof of the parking garage. There's the bank of elevators. And just to show you, I believe these elevators might be considered as high hydraulics. Because look how far up we are. This is definitely way higher than 3 floors. I say this is good maybe 6 or 7 floors up. Trash can. I guess we'll get a quick view from the top floor since while we're up here. We'll get off of this direction and go on the other side. Nothing exciting from this side. I believe that right there is the roof of the Target. Got another parking garage right there. And now we'll go on the other side and get a view of downtown. Alright, now we're going to look on the other side towards downtown Orlando. And here's your view from this side of the garage. Not the best view of downtown, but it's something. See down in the distance, that's downtown Orlando, with Orlando Regional Medical Center in the front part of downtown. And that right there is an apartment or a condominium building. A couple carts up here. And if you look over there, that's the freight elevator, which I'll probably get in a separate video. But now, let's go back down the main elevators and end it down there. Or end the video down there. It rained up here like about an hour or so ago. It's definitely cleared up nicely. It's getting pretty humid. Typical for Florida. Like I said, about the elevators, these aren't really that great. Especially the right car being low on oil, also known as elevator A being low on oil. These do have decent motors, but it's pretty hard to hear them over the fan. Alright, let's see which elevator we get to go down in. If I didn't say this yet, I believe these might be KONEs, judging by the floor brails. Either KONEs, Montgomery KONEs, or just straight up Montgomerys, but it's very hard to tell because the certificate doesn't say anything. And Florida Records doesn't give you the correct brand. It gives you like a some electric company or something. I don't know what it is. So I'm probably gonna guess Montgomery KONEs, or KONEs, or maybe MEIs installed by Montgomery KONE, or KONEs. Again, it's very hard to tell, so I'm going to leave the title as unknown or generic elevators at Target in Orlando, Florida. These are quite slow too. So like I said, these are considered maybe high hydraulics because in reality this isn't really 3 floors, since there's a lot of space in between 1 and 2. You kind of hear the motors from out here. And we're going to go down this elevator after waiting for a little bit. This is the one that was low on oil. So we'll end on the first floor. We'll watch this floor indicator going down. Stay in the back of the cab and watch this indicator from a far distance. Let's watch this one go out. back of one, and one opens up on the front side. Overall, like I said, these are not the greatest elevators. And that'll be it.